In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in HubSpot CRM. Creating quotes is an essential feature in HubSpot that allows businesses to formalize pricing agreements and maintain a clear line of communication with clients. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're able to create quotes with ease. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button located on the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials either through email or a connected service like Google, and you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Data Management section. As this category often hosts various tools, hover over it until you see the Quotes option and click on it. This will take you into the area where all your quotes are stored, giving you an option to create a new one. Now you'll see a button labeled Create Quote. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, if a deal hasn't yet been established, you might notice a prompt for Create a New Deal. It's logical to have a deal associated with your quote for proper tracking and relationship management, so click on that if necessary. Here you'll enter all necessary deal details. This step is crucial as it forms the backbone of your quote. After filling in the required information, make sure to hit Create. You'll then be asked to proceed by clicking on the Next button. This next step involves adding a contact to the deal. Click on Add Contact and then select a contact from your existing list, or you can create a new one if needed. After selecting the contact, proceed by clicking Next. Now you'll move on to adding products associated with the quote. Click on Select from Product Library. This will allow you to browse through the products you offer and select the relevant ones for this quote. Once you've selected your product, don't forget to click Add to ensure it's part of the quote. You'll then be guided through a few additional next prompts, each one verifying that the information entered is accurate and complete. Make sure to double check each step, as accuracy in quoting can make a significant impact on client relationships. Finally, click on the Save button to store all the details securely in HubSpot. Once saved, you'll have the option to review or send the quote directly to your client. And that's it, you've successfully created a quote in HubSpot CRM. By following these instructions, you can efficiently manage and automate your sales process, ensuring that every interaction is stored and easily retrievable for future reference. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.